In this Contact Form 7 WordPress tutorial, I am going to show you how you can create this responsive WordPress contact form using the Contact Form 7 WordPress plugin within a minute. This Contact Form 7 style is not only beautiful but highly responsive for any device. We will not go deep into the coding part. In fact, you don't require any coding knowledge at all. After watching this video, you can create this exact same form within a minute. By the way, if you are interested to know how I have created this contact form style using the Contact Form 7 plugin from scratch, and if you want to learn the advanced customization, then click on the above card or watch the end screen video after watching this video. In this video, we will create this form in 4 basic and short steps. Step 1. Plugins installation. Step 2. HTML and CSS code file downloading along with Elementor template. Step 3. Copying and pasting of Contact Form 7 HTML and CSS code. Step 4. Inserting Contact Form 7 Elementor template. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, we need to install few essential plugins to create exact same form. To install plugins, hover over the plugin tab. And then click Add a New option. Now, head over to the search box. And then type Contact Form 7 in the search field. Here we have the Contact Form 7 plugin. Click here to install it. Now again, type add-ons in the search field. Here, you will get a plugin result with the name Premium Add-ons for Elementor. Click here to install it. Now type Elementor in the search field. Here we have Elementor plugin. Click here to install it. By the way, in my case, here is no installation option appeared because I have already installed this plugin. Now, click on the installed plugin option. Here on this page, select all 3 plugins. And then select the Activate option from this list. After that, click here to apply. Congratulations! We have completed our first step of contact form creation. In the second step, let's download the resource files for this contact form. Here, as you can see, you have 2 options to download this file. The first option, just type the URL shown here, and the second option, just scan this barcode from your smartphone. Let's go with the first method. Just go to your browser tab and type downloading URL in the address bar. Now, click here and select Direct Download from the drop-down. Click OK to save the file. Our file is successfully downloaded. Go to the File Download Destination folder. Here, be aware that the file you have downloaded is in compressed RAR format. To extract this file, you need to install any RAR file extractor software. In my case, I am using the WinRAR software for this purpose. Now, right-click and select the option Extract to CF7 template by ProWebMentor. We have completed our second step towards the creation of the WordPress contact form using the Contact Form 7 plugin. In the third step, let's copy the CSS and HTML code from our downloaded resource file and paste these codes into their respective fields. Now, open the extracted file folder. In this folder, you will get 3 files. Open the HTML file, and then press Ctrl A to select, and press Ctrl C to copy the complete code. Head over to the WordPress dashboard. Click on the Contact tab. And then click on the Edit link to edit your form. Now, click anywhere in this box, and then press Ctrl A to select the default code. And now, just press the Delete key on your keyboard to clear the default code. After that, click Ctrl V to paste the code which you have copied from the downloaded file. In the end, just save the changes. Now, go back to the downloaded file folder. Let's copy the CSS code. Go back to the WordPress dashboard. Hover over on the Appearance tab, and then click on Customize from the option. Now scroll down to the bottom, and then click on the Custom CSS option. By the way, this Custom CSS option's location and name may vary theme by theme. In my case, I am using the Ocean WP theme. In many other themes, you may see this option with the name of additional CSS. Now, click anywhere in this box, and then press Ctrl V to paste the code which you have copied from the downloaded CSS file. In the end, just publish the code. After that, click on this cross button to come back to the WordPress dashboard. Now, we have completed our third step. Let's proceed towards the Inserting Contact Form template. Click on the Pages tab and then hover over the page at which you want to add the contact form. After that, click on Edit with Elementor. On Elementor Edit page, click on this option. After that, click on My Template tab. Click here to upload the downloaded Elementor contact form template. Now, select the template file from the download folder, and then click on Open to upload. After contact form template file upload, click on the Insert, then click on Yes, to insert the contact form. In the end, just update the page. Let's open this page in the New tab to check the responsiveness. As you can see, we have successfully created this responsive contact form using the Contact Form 7 plugin. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new video updates.